Guys, I'm Taylor. I'm at Shoes of Hollywood today and I'm going to be trying on some fleeces. This one is the Kiss Rhinestone in a 6-inch. Let's try them out. They come really well wrapped. They do also come with the bag. You just pull it down if you want to get rid of the box. A lot easier to carry around in these. Save storage as well. Alright, let's try these bad boys on. How beautiful are they? Gorgeous. Amazing rhinestone detail on the back of the heel and around. Beautiful, soft, white tongue. I love the clear ones too because they make your feet look so dainty and pretty. And they're not bulky, they're very elegant. And they're perfect 6-inch as well. So they're not over the top high, easy to walk in. 6 inches are. I can say these are one of the easiest heels, plastic heels to put on. They fit on your foot quite well. I have tried a couple before and they're very difficult, but these just slip on. They're Cinderella glass shoe. Alright, let's go for a walk. Super comfortable. Very Marilyn Monroe vibes. So gorgeous. And that detail on the back just makes it. And because of the chrome mirror on the bottom, it will really reflect whatever colour dress you're wearing. So it will show on the heel, which I think is beautiful. How beautiful is that? The rhinestones are the perfect size. They're not too small and they're not too big. These shoes would be perfect for the opera, just going out. Perfect. Just perfect. I would wear these going to the shopping centre. They're super comfortable, easy to walk in. They're not too tall and not too small. Perfect height. Especially with the colour. That silver really brings out your skin tone as well, which is really nice. They're the perfect Cinderella glass slipper. Well, that's my review on these shoes, and they are gorgeous. Definitely my fairy tale shoes. See you guys.